Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a really amazing Dollar Tree haul. It's small, but it's good. I have some of my most favorite items that I have ever found at Dollar Tree. And I also have kind of like a tip for those of you who are having trouble finding some things, or you just want to save money when you're shopping at Dollar Tree. Yes, you can save money even at a store that sells items for just $1. So let's get into the haul and then we will get into my little tip. The first thing that I found are these little ceramic bunnies. I could not believe my eyes when I saw these. I don't think I've seen anybody else haul these. They may have, I just haven't seen it. But these are so similar to the Target Dollar Spot bunnies. I believe that Walmart had something similar as well. These are smaller, of course, but they're a good size. And they're just white ceramic with the gold ears. You do have to try to find the bunnies that have the best paint job in the ears, but I could not get over these. They have the laying down one and the one that's sitting up, and these just had to come home with me. I need another bunny, like I need a bullet in the head, but I could not leave these behind. The next items that I found that I am so excited about, and I've talked about these and shown them on my channel before, are these new greenery kind of floral bouquets that Dollar Tree has. I am so obsessed with these. Like, I'm just over the moon that Dollar Tree has something like this. I've always thought that Dollar Tree florals were pretty bad. I don't really love to use them, but these are amazing. So like I said, I've hauled these before, so I've already shown all of these. I just picked up some more because I have this kind of promise to myself that I'm not gonna pick up items that I don't have an immediate use for or a use for in like the next month or so. And since I already have some of these, I don't really have an immediate use, but they're too good. I had to break that rule. I know that I can use these in my fall decor, just the leaf parts, in my spring and summer decor, and I can't wait to DIY with these and decorate with these. I already have them all over my apartment right now, so you'll probably see that in a spring or Easter tour. The next item that I found is this really cute little heart keychain. It's kind of like a plush, and it's silver. They also had it in gold, and they had some other keychains that were like little flowers. They're so cute, and it has gold hardware. I kind of just picked this up to maybe throw in an Easter basket or in a gift for somebody. I just think it's so cute. I had to bring it home with me. The next items that I found are more of the Anna Davis for Crown Jewel stationery items. I found this one that says Maybe I Am a Princess, and it has I guess it's a swan. It looks like a swan flamingo because it's like a pink swan with a crown, and it has some glitter on it. The back has a little frog. These are just so cute. I don't need another journal, but I had to pick this one up to show you guys and possibly put in a gift. And then the other one that I found, I'm so obsessed with this as well. This says Be Unique, and it has a unicorn on the front with all this glitter and a really cute floral pattern. This is a perfect size to put in your purse. I saw this in a larger size, and I showed that in a shop with me video along with a bunch of other stationery items from this collection, so I'll link that below if you're interested. But this flips shut with like a little magnet, you can see, and the inside is just as cute. The pages actually say Be Unique with the unicorn. They have colored images on them, and then the top has some floral. It's just so, so cute. This would be perfect to put in an Easter basket, in a gift to just keep for yourself. I am so loving this Anna Davis for Crown Jewels collection at Dollar Tree. And then the last two items that I found are these super cute pens, and they look like little princess wands or something because they have these little acrylic jewels on top. And I'm probably too old for these, but I had to have them because they're in rose gold, and you guys know my obsession with rose gold. So I thought that this one would look cute with this little journal, and this one would look cute with this little journal. But yeah, so they also come in silver. The silver was really pretty as well, and I know a lot of people prefer silver as their metallic. It took me quite a while to hunt these down in stores, you guys. And then I realized that they actually are online on Dollar Tree's website. And many of you didn't even know that Dollar Tree has a website. We tend to think of it as kind of like a brick and mortar, but they do have an online site. And these and several other like really hot, highly sought after items are on the website. So you can purchase online and pick up in store for free, and you can actually earn cash back if you shop online through the TopCashBack website. So this portion of the video is sponsored by TopCashBack in exchange for my honest thoughts and opinions on their service. So TopCashBack is one of those services where you shop online and you earn money back. And I have used this service before, but I had no idea, never even imagined that a place like Dollar Tree would be on TopCashBack and that you could actually earn money back from items that cost so little to begin with. So to use TopCashBack, it's really simple and it's free. All you have to do is use your email address to sign up and create an account. And like I said, it is for free. And I have used this service before because they have 4,000 retailers that they partner with. Some of my favorites are Amazon, Target, Walmart, Dollar General, all of our favorite places. And so I have used it before. I just had no idea that you could shop on Dollar Tree's website through this service. So you are going to want to put your email address in here and then create your password and then click join now. Once you sign in, your page will look something like this. You can pick from a ton of different categories, like designer fashion even is included on this website. You see Last Call, Neiman Marcus, Lord & Taylor. But what you'll want to do to just quickly find the retailer that you're looking for, and we are looking for Dollar Tree, we are just going to use this search bar and type in Dollar Tree. And you will see right here, you will get 4% cash back if you purchase items from Dollar Tree online, and you can pick it up in the store for free. So next you will want to click cash back. Once you do that, you will see this page and you are going to want to click Get Cash Back Now. It will redirect you to a quick little page that lets you know that it's recording, and then it will forward you to the Dollar Tree website, and it will track that you clicked on Dollar Tree through this service. And now we are at Dollar Tree's website, and I'm going to show you some of the awesome things that are on Dollar Tree's website that I've hauled that some of you guys are having trouble finding. So one of my favorite items has to be this flower planter. And what I love most about this option on the Dollar Tree's website is that all you have to buy is 4 units. So most things on Dollar Tree's website are going to need to be purchased in bulk, anywhere from 4 items up to sometimes in the 30s. So you have to really decide, how many do you want? Is it worth it for you to shop online? And in some cases it is, because if you really like this little flower planter, chances are maybe you want more than 1. And even if you only want 2, it's $4. And if you were to buy this somewhere else, you would definitely have to spend probably close to $4 or $5 for just 1. So you are getting a value, and of course you can split this purchase with somebody else or put them away to use at a later date. These really hard to find cactus can be purchased on the website. You do have to purchase an order of 20 of them, but again, individually, these little cactus cost $5 a piece elsewhere. You can split the price with somebody. And actually, my boyfriend's sister is using these in her wedding decor. She is going to purchase enough for each person at her wedding and use them as place cards. So each little cactus will have a card attached to it with a person's name and table number, and I think that's adorable. Another awesome find are the succulents. These are $24 a case, and these are sometimes hard to come by. The highly sought after decorative mirrors are on the website. You get 12 in a case. That's certainly less than you would be paying for all of these at Hobby Lobby. Like I said, these pens are on the website. They have them in the silver version. You could purchase these for little prizes for a princess themed birthday party, stock your office with them, whatever you want to do. If you have an event coming up where you're having a large group of people, a wedding, a family reunion, a birthday party, a shower, and you have to provide your own glassware, or you don't have enough glassware for the group. You can purchase glassware online. I think it's fantastic that they have these champagne flutes online. You only have to buy in quantities of 4. Anything that says pick and pack will be in a quantity of 4, and there's quite a bit on the site that is that pick and pack option. So if you're having a bridal shower with 20 people, who has 20 champagne glasses, you can order them on Dollar Tree's website, have them shipped straight to the store. So overall, I do really enjoy TopCashBack. I was previously shopping and not getting any money back, and now since I've started using them, I do get money back, and there is no threshold that you have to meet to get your money. You can deposit your money into your PayPal account or your checking account, whether it's 30 cents or $25, so there is no minimum threshold like other sites like this. 100% of the commission that is earned goes back to you, and TopCashBack consistently features higher rates than its competitors. So overall, I do really enjoy the TopCashBack service. I think it's great. I haven't tried the other ones yet, so I don't know how it really compares, but I do know that it's really nice that you don't have to meet a threshold. And again, this is a sponsored video, but these are 100% my own thoughts and opinions that I have formed from using this service and trying it out for myself. And I wouldn't recommend it to you if I didn't like it myself and I didn't think that you would have something to gain from using it. And TopCashBack is actually going to offer a $5 bonus upon earning $5 cash back to my subscribers, and that will run through April 16th. So if you are interested in doing that, definitely check the link in my description box below. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some good tips and you added some new Dollar Tree items to your wish list. If you did enjoy, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like these, and I will see you back in my next one. Bye guys.